Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to make Kakrar Malaikari, that is crab curry in coconut gravy. Let's get started. First of all, take 500 grams of deshelled clean crab and cut it into small pieces. Now add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and marinate it for half an hour. Make 1 cup thick coconut milk either from fresh coconut or from coconut milk powder. Let's add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil to a karai. When it is sufficiently hot, add the marinated crab and fry for 2 minutes. And keep aside. Add 2 more tablespoons of mustard oil. When it is hot, add 2 green cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon stick and 2 cloves. After few seconds, when nice aroma comes out, add 2 large finely sliced onions. And 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Fry until golden. Then add 3 tablespoons of onion paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Fry until the raw smell goes out. Now add 1 large sized finely chopped tomato and fry for 1 minute. Let's cover it with a lid and make the flame low and cook for 1 minute. Now open the lid. And add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. When the oil separates out, add the fried crab to it. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Now add previously made coconut milk. Go on stirring for some time. Let's add 4 slightly sliced green chilies and 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. Cover it with a lid and cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Switch off the flame. Now Kakrar Malaikari, that is crab curry in coconut gravy, is ready. Give a standing time of 5 minutes. Now serve it with hot steamed rice. If you enjoyed the video, do share it with your friends and family. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe our channel Recipes Old and New. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.